I am here with
Amanda.
and
Austin.
yay! And you guys just bought your first house together.
We did.
Just did.
Yes, we're very excited. Okay. So, question is, how did you find this whole process in general?
I think it was as smooth as it could be.
Yeah, honestly, I have no complaints. Biggest thing is we wanted to close early, but I mean, other than that, we did everything on schedule. This is super simple, super fast.
And so, how did you find my process helping you guys find a home? Were you sort of surprised at the number of homes I was able to find for you guys?
Yeah, especially given the market, I think it was kind of a slow time to buy. So the fact that we were able to get as much inventory as we could just to see what's out there.
Mm-hmm.
And I know we had talked, Austin, about knowing the market and giving you that statistic about 30% of these homes are actually falling out, so that we may get a second chance, which is actually what happened with this house.
Exactly.
So were you surprised about that?
Honestly, I wasn't
Yeah.
holding my breath. I was incredibly surprised that we managed to get one that fell through escrow, but I mean, here we are.
Yeah.
Especially since it was the first one we looked at and the first one we put an offer in at.
Yeah, so we actually ended up saving you over $10,000 off the price, getting it at really, you guys are walking in with equity for that, so that was really exciting. And you are active Navy, and you are first responder law enforcement. So we were able to give you that 10% discount. So thank you for your service, both of you guys. And that goes towards your Mai Tai party.
Yes.
Exactly. I'm looking forward to that.
Anything else that you really liked about the experience, or you thought was, things that either surprised you, or that you were just really happy with?
Honestly, no surprises other than being able to get a house that fell through escrow on the first one we put an offer in. You made this process incredibly easy for us, keeping everything electronic, keeping up with the times in that way. Phenomenal. We were able to sign everything same day. Wonderful, wonderful team.
So you felt like the communication with you was at a good pace?
Yes.
It matched what you guys were doing, because you guys, people don't know this obviously because they don't know you, but you guys were actually in two different locations. You were down in Seal Beach, Amanda, and Austin, you were all the way up in Lemoore. So just coordinating that, how was that experience for you guys?
I think it was a little bit challenging, but John, you were great in being able to go to the open houses for us and film when we weren't able to because we were working. I think that was probably one of the best parts, was just to be able to be free to look at houses and then be available on our scheduled days off, which aren't typically normal for your working person. So that was awesome that you were able to do so much remotely for us when we weren't both able to do it.
Yeah, I appreciate that.
So thank you, John.
Awesome. All right, guys. Well, I am so excited. Congratulations. Your brand new house, and that patio back there, and that barbecue set, I know is going to get lots of use.
Oh yeah.
And the dogs, can't wait
So happy.
to get here. Well, congratulations. We're really excited for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.